In this video, I will show you how to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. The process is easy and make sure you watch the video till the end. After clearing all cache, your computer's performance will improve, it will feel lighter and it will load much faster than before. So let's get started. First open the Run window by pressing Windows key and R together. Now type prefetch. Now hit OK. This will ask for permission. Just click continue. Once the folder opens, select any of the file and then press Ctrl A to select everything. Now press Shift Delete on your keyboard to permanently delete all the junk files from your PC. When you use Shift Delete command, it removes the files completely without sending them to recycle bin. Click Yes and the files will be removed. Again, press Windows key and R to open Run window. This time type temp. Click OK. A new folder will open. So these are the leftover files created by different applications on Windows PC. Select any file and press Ctrl A to select all the files. Just press Shift Delete to remove these files permanently. And the files will be removed. Once again type Windows and R to open Run window. This time type %temp%. Now press OK. And this is the another folder that contains temporary junk files. Once again select all with Ctrl A. Then press Shift Delete. Some files may not delete because they are currently being used by running programs. Just check do this for all current items and click Skip. And the files will be permanently removed from your Windows PC. Finally press Windows key and R one last time to open the Run window. This time type clean mgr. Now hit OK. This will open Disk Cleanup. By default, it will select the drive where Windows OS is installed. Normally, this will be C drive. Click OK. Now select everything you see like recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files and more. Once all the boxes are checked, click OK and confirm. So that is how you can remove all cache and junk files from your Windows PC. Your system should now feel cleaner, smoother and faster. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.